How to log into Fitbit account. Welcome back to Glitzorsara everybody, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to check out your Play Store or App Store, then search for Fitbit. Make sure that you have installed the application in your device. Once installed, just go ahead and tap on the open bubble. Now in here, you have the two options to sign in with Google or sign in with Fitbit. Select Google for easy login. Select an account, then tap on the Continue button. Tap on Continue as a new user. Read all of this agreement, then tap on these boxes. Next, enter your profile, that is your height, weight, and sex. This is essential to track for your physical fitness and all the activities that you do. Tap on Continue. On to the next step, again, read thoroughly, then just tap on I agree. Next step, you need to provide some of the permission. If you want to, you can simply toggle it off. Then go ahead and add your phone or connect your Fitbit if you have one. If not, you can just connect your mobile device and it will help you to track all of your fitness activities. Select on Allow or Don't Allow according to your preference. You can cross it out. Then you can set up your connection for your health. And there you have it. Your Fitbit is ready. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.